Today we are going to install a TSU1000 cellular tank monitor. We will show you how to connect the battery, test for cellular connectivity, measure and then install the TankScan monitor to your tank to receive readings. First, test the cellular connection. Before climbing on the tank, you should test the cellular connection. Power up the TankScan monitor by plugging in the battery located inside the unit. Select a spot near the tank that the monitor will be installed. You'll hear a single beep, then a second single beep will follow, with a third single beep for confirming data transmission. 3 single beeps indicates a good cellular connection was made. If you hear more than 3 single beeps, please contact technical support. Take measurements. The TSU monitor can be connected directly to tanks with a 1.5 or 2-inch NPT threaded opening. Remove any equipment from the tank port to be used by the monitor. Now measure the tank height from inside the bottom of the tank to the top of the tank port. Also, make note of the fluid level measurement in the tank. Record these measurements. Mounting the TSU1000. Position the monitor over the tank port and hand tighten until secure. Swipe the magnetic end of the supplied screwdriver along the cover's rim above the triangle indicator on the housing base. You will hear 2 beeps. The first beep indicates a cellular connection was made, and a second beep confirms data has been transmitted. This will confirm the liquid level measurement reading is correct on the platform, our web-based portal where you can set up, provision, and manage your assets and data. If you need assistance finishing the installation or confirming the tank level reading, please call TankScan technical support. TankScan, the power of data optimized. Thanks for watching.